Hey everybody, Kevin Yannick with Pit and Core here at the Hillhead show. I came across Joe Adams with T&C Site Services. You guys are out of the UK, but we got to talking about tire repair, tire safety, and there's obviously a lot of issues there that kind of go across the pond as well to the US and Canada. So, just maybe some best practices, some thoughts that you can offer for operators, whether they're in the US, Canada, the UK, or elsewhere, Joe.
Yeah, that's our technicians are very highly trained. We don't send anybody out unless they're fully competent. There's multiple ways to that training. It's not a quick thing. We don't rush anything. We don't rush a job. We'll get on site. We do site induction. We awareness of what's going on around us for the machine. We're jacking, we're blocking, we're chocking, isolating machines. That's vitally important. It's the first thing we'll do. And then we'll assess the damage, what's gone on, where the problem arose, and then we'll take the tire off, inspect it, repair it with a patch, and we'll fill the hole where we need to with a plug, and then we put the tire back on, lubricated, checked, inflated. Yeah, so it's the full system, and we've got the right equipment for that job. So we don't scrimp on tools. We use the right equipment. We don't go for the cheap. We use the best possible equipment we can.
What's the trend there on the service aspect? I mean, is it the specialists are really becoming the ones taking over that service, or is there a lot of operators trying to do that themselves? I mean, so a company like yours is obviously, you're the expert at that, but I'm just wondering what's happening out there in the field and how much could be overcome if you use a specialist at the end of the day.
The specialist, we offer a premium service, so we don't cut corners. We use a crane, certified and rated for that machine. Everything's weight tested, everything is checked thoroughly. Other people might not have those strict rules. They don't have the transport rules. We have in the UK, we use tachographs, so like DVSA. So we're restricting what hours we can work as well. We don't push anybody further than they need to. There's no time limit on a job or training. We don't cut any corners. Don't take any chances. We don't rush a job.
Well, Joe, you're zeroing in on an important topic for the industry. I appreciate you taking a couple minutes of your time to share some insights with our audience, and best of luck to you and your team.
No worries. Thank you very much.